everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Devina and today we're gonna learn how to do wedges. I'm using size 30 for this particular trick. To start with, take either of your leg inside your hoop and then take the hoop all the way up and bring your both legs together. Once you're here, release your hoop. Your hoop should be in between your legs and should not fall down. So make sure you keep your both legs together for this trick. Once you're here, start moving your knees like this, crossing your knees side to side. Now, initially, your hoop may come somewhere around this part, like it can look like this when you're trying with your wedges. So, all you have to do is increase the power with which you are trying to kick the hoop. So, now I'm going to try to kick the hoop all the way up. Take more power. Now it's gonna hurt a little bit around the sides of your body, around your inner thighs when you're practicing wedges, and it will just get better with time. You will just get used to that kicking part. So try to move your legs like this. Keeping your hands up is going to help you so the hoop is not kicking your hands, or else if you keep your hands like this, it might hurt you even around your triceps. So try doing it like this. The hoop should kick every time around this part of the body. Now make sure you also practice the same to the other side, because we have a lot of fun transitions, few variations coming once you get the wedges.